Welcome to another questions and answers video series brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today's question is, what is the difference between Word and Google Docs? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to equip you during a time of loss. We offer various formats included in all our DIY funeral program template downloads. You are able to choose which software to make your edits. Two of the formats you will receive is Word and Google Docs. So, which one should you choose? Each can edit our template quickly and easily, but there are some points to consider before making that choice. For decades, Microsoft Word has been the standard for word processors. But with the introduction of Google's productivity apps, this is quickly changing. Microsoft Word has a plethora of editing features, and intermediate to advanced users may prefer this added functionality. Since the design and layout foundation has already been done, you may or may not need the extra features Word offers. Google Docs has a simpler interface and offers the basic editing features in a word processor. It is, however, more than enough to complete and customize our funeral template. Word also requires a solid purchase for using this software. You must buy and install it on your computer or pay a monthly subscription for an online-based version. There are also future purchases for updates to consider, which appears to be done annually. Google Docs is free, period. There is no cost to use, and you simply need a Gmail account to sign in and use it. It can be used on any device or location that is connected to the internet. Learning Word can take some time if you are not already familiar with it. Some feature procedures may vary depending on the version. Google Docs is straightforward, and you do not need to worry about upgrades. It also has an intuitive interface, so the learning curve is fast and is minimal to none. Sharing the funeral program with Word requires you to send the document as an attachment. The recipients must have a compatible version of Word on their computer to open the document you send. Otherwise, the formatting can get misaligned in the transition. You can alternatively save it as a PDF file, but the recipient will not be able to make any edits. Google Docs allows you to be able to share the funeral program template with various people, right from within the document. Each recipient can make direct edits to the same file if you desire. This feature makes for easy collaboration and is done in real time. PDF files can be created effortlessly for local printing. Overall, we recommend using Google Docs to create your funeral program with our DIY templates. It is simply easier to use and has many benefits over Word. Less complications means you can complete the program more efficiently. One final note to remember, Word and Google Docs are simply vehicles you use to edit our funeral program template. The one you choose is very much dependent on your time frame, comfortability, and preference. Either choice will get you to the same end result, a funeral program that honors a loved one's life. Thanks for watching another questions and answers video. Check out the largest collection of DIY templates ready to edit in Word or Google Docs, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.